Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today a new unboxing, again the IPSY box for this month. I like it so much that I had to get it again. I'm outside because I'm still doing work inside the house and I'm trying to build my office where I'm gonna shoot all my videos, so hopefully I'll do a video about that too. Today the IPSY box, I'm gonna open it while I talk. If you don't know, it's a beauty box subscription, so you get it every month and you pay, I think it's $10 a month. This is the, if I'm not wrong, this is the, I'm gonna write it here, this is the one that is $25 a month that has bigger size products. I hope the noise is not too much for you guys. And this is the September box. So let's start right away. Yeah, it's a Glam Bag Plus. So if I'm not wrong, it's $25 a month and you get bigger size. Yep, September 2019, and this month theme is Find Your Light. And here you get a little paper with all the products and the value, and you can obviously tag them on all the social media, blah blah blah. Let's start right away. I already got this. It was in the FabFitFun, whatever that box is. And it's the Ciate, I don't know how you pronounce it, London Extraordinary Translucent Powder. So I already have this, so it's a double. I'm gonna give it to someone, but I like it. So first product was, it's a nice product, but I already got it in another box. Next one we have, oh, I think I already got something from this brand. Is the Glam Glow Tropical Cleanse Daily Exfoliating Cleanser. And I'm sorry, I skipped the value about the translucent powder was $22. The value of this is $34. As usual, I don't wanna, oh actually it's already open. The smell is very good, maybe a little too sweet for me. And it's a daily exfoliating cleanser for your face, so I'll definitely try it out. I have to see the ingredients because the smell, sorry about displaying, the smell is kind of too strong. When the smells are too strong, they always get me a little so I don't know, I'll see it later. Next we have, I mean this box is already super cute. I'll get you a little better shot. And it's a Apto, I think that's how you pronounce it, skincare pomegranate mask. I love masks for my skin. As you may know, if you already follow me, I like much better moisturizer and products about your skin rather than makeup. So I like when I get masks. It's closed, so I don't want to open it. I usually don't open it unless I'm about to use them. And it's cruelty free, and I think it's vegan too. The value is $36. It seems very nice. It's 60 ml, which is 2 ounces. I mean, I know it's not the most important thing, but the box, it's super cute. Then fourth product we have, it's a lip balm, or no, sorry, it's a lipstick from Ilamasca, and it's called an antimatter lipstick, and the color we got here is midnight. Oh my god, it's a super bright red. It's actually very nice, and as you can see, I'm trying to use brighter colors on my lips, which is strange because I usually never wear makeup, so I'll definitely try this out. I love lipsticks, and it's made in Italy. I know this brand, I heard about it, so I'm gonna try this. This is actually my favorite so far with the mask, and the value is $27. Oh, so much noise around me. Last product, as you can see, the box is empty. For this month is this Ofra, no, this is the front, Ofra Cosmetics by Madison Miller. I don't know who is Madison Miller. Squat palette, and these are 3 different eyeshadows, which we're gonna see together now. Pretty nice. $35 is the value. Nice. Actually, I like the mirror, and I I was destroying everything. And I like that the colors are very nude and pink. I would say rose and pink, because as you can see, I don't wear a lot of makeup, I don't wear bright colors, so I'm definitely gonna use those rather than like a blue. So this was the last product that I got this month with my IPSY Glam box. Sorry, Glam Bag Plus box. I really liked, I would say my favorite were the mask and the lipstick, but they were all very good. I thought I was gonna get the IPSY box just for 1 month and then try new boxes, but I've been liking them so much that I really can unsubscribe to that. But I like that usually in 5 products I always get 2 or 3 that I like and I keep, and the rest I'll give away to friends and family, and they're always so happy. So that's it. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet and you got to the end of the video, please do it and leave a comment down below. Follow me on Instagram and everything, because I really appreciate it, and I post a lot of different videos, a lot of baking, mom life, unboxing, and just random videos about my life. So thank you again for watching, and I'll see you very soon with a new video. Bye!